All right, you're welcome to today's class. I got this question from one university entrance exam. It now says find the product product of x and y if x plus y is equals to 0 and 2x minus 2y is equals to 8. So this is the question and I want us to solve it together. Now, just know that anytime they give you two equations of two unknown variables, that question is a simultaneous equation. And for us to solve simultaneous equation, there are two methods, two popular methods which we use to solve it. The first one is substitution method, while the second one is a elimination method. Any method you use, you will still get the answer. But I want us to use substitution method. In this substitution method, we now write solution. Let's just divide this board because it is very small. We now write solution. So we now bring down the two equations given. We now say x plus y is equals to 0 and 2x minus 2y is equals to 8. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So what we have to do in this case now is to either make x the subject of this particular equation or make y the subject of this particular equation. Now let's just make x the subject. From equation 1, we have that x plus y is equals to 0. This shows that x is equals to I've now brought down this equal to equality sign and put 0. So when this y crosses this equality sign, it becomes negative. So this is x is equals to 0 minus y because this is plus y here. So when plus y crosses this, it becomes minus y. This shows that x is equals to 0 minus y, which implies that x, because 0 is 0 now, x is equals to minus y. This is equation 3. This is equation 3. Now let us go back to the original two equations. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. And we got the value of x in this equation 1. So what we have to do is to input whatever we get x to be in this equation 2. And in this case, we have that x is equals to minus y. So wherever we see x in equation 2, we put what? Minus y. Now let's go. We now say from equation 2, 2x, don't mind my handwriting, 2x minus 2y is equals to what? 8. Are you following it? Now, we now replace x with minus y. We now say 2 brackets minus y. We now bring down this minus here. Minus 2y is equals to 8. So the next thing is to remove this bracket. And for us to remove it, we multiply whatever we have inside the bracket with 2. So 2 times minus y will give us minus 2y. So we've already removed the bracket. Minus 2y minus 2y again will give us 8. Now collecting the like terms, because this one is 2y and this one is minus 2y, so we can combine them together. So minus 2y minus 2y again. It's just like if you are owing me $2 and you are owing my friend $2. How many dollars do you owe us? You are owing us $4. So minus 2y minus another 2y will give us minus 4y is equals to 8. We are looking for y. And for us to get that y, we divide both sides by -4. So we now see that y is equals to 8 divided by -4, which will give us -2. So our y is -2. So we've already gotten our y. Now for us to get our x, we come to this equation 3, which says that x is equals to -y. So wherever we see -y, we put what? -2. So we now say that to find x from equation 3, we say that x is equals to -y, which shows that x is equals to minus this. I now bring down this minus, now put in brackets. What is our y? Our y is -2. We now put -2. So x is equals to, this minus here is just like saying -1. So minus 1 times -2 will give us 2. So because this minus will cancel out this minus to give us 2. So we've already gotten the values of our x and y. So here we have that x is equals to 2 and y is equals to what? -2. And the equation says find the product of x and y. The product simply means that we have to multiply x and y. Whatever it gives us is the final answer. Now we now say that the product of x and y. Please, I just need to clean this side. Or the product of x and y. Let's just write it here. Is equals to, x is what? Our x is what? 2. 2 multiplied by our y is what? -2. -2. So 2 times -2 will give us what? Will give us -4. So this is our final answer. I want you to try this again to know if you can get it, and give us the answer you have in the comment section. If you have any question, you can also drop down your question in the comment section. Thank you very much. We love you.